Repeating through lines in Vim. I have some lines of text like this. Now I add private read-only string to the start of the first line. How do I repeat this edit for the other lines? Not manually visiting each line, of course. By the way, I do realize this could be done with a regex, but I'm looking for a 6-way, if possible. Just in case, I'm using VSVIM.
Navigate up to first name in normal mode and type. This will record the macro, in register A, of you adding private read-only string to the beginning of the line, then moving one line down. If you want to repeat this macro twice, thus repeating the command for the next 2 lines, in command mode type 2 at on the last name line, which will execute the macro twice more. This method fulfills your requirement of not manually visiting each line, however it's a little heavyweight for your application. If it's the typing of private read-only string that you object to, a quick solution is to make your edit on the first line, then move down to each line you want to make the edit and use dot in normal mode. This will repeat your last command, in this case adding the text to the line, with no fuss.
Another way to do this is to using visual block mode. Start with your cursor at the beginning of the first line. Press Ctrl+V to enter visual block mode. Press J to move down, extending the selection to include the lines you want. Press I to go into prep ending, insert mode. Type private read-only string, dot. Press escape. This will cause you to go back to command mode, and the text you typed will be repeated on each line before the start of your visual block selection, in this case, at the start of each line, since that's where you began the selection, dot.
Normal is great, and shorter, too. Dot +2, from here to 2 lines below, or you could select the lines using visual mode Shift+V and then typing, to get into X mode. Norm, type these commands as if I typed them in normal, command, mode. Insert the following string in the beginning of the line.
Just type private read-only string at the first line. Then for the rest of the 2 lines type 2, dot character, like 2. From the second line.
For interactively doing this without much thought and preparation, in case you have already entered the text on the first line but you later notice that you need it on several lines. Insert the text as you would normally do using I in the first line. Turn on the visual mode by pressing V or grab all the lines you want to apply the change. In this case, JJ will do. Hit column norm. Then enter.
Video to watch on the Disney Live as equipment.